Now we're going to be looking at the actual structure of the sperm, right? So, sperm structure, there's 4 main structures that I want you to worry about. The first region here on the outermost layer, this region here is called the acrosome. The acrosome's main function is it's filled with a lot of digestive enzymes. So when the sperm wants to fertilize the egg has this huge barrier, right? Quote unquote barrier. This acrosome plays a big role in actually dissolving that barrier in order to transfer genetic information for proper fertilization, all right? This region here, next to the acrosome below it, this is referred to as the head of the sperm. In the head of the sperm, there is a presence of all of the genetic material, specifically the DNA, right? So you remember how much material, so the DNA specifically, if you want to look at it, we can call it even also the nucleus. The nucleus is present in the head. So when we look at the sperm, just for a little review, how many chromosomes do sperm have? What is their ploidy? Are they diploid or haploid? So sperm, if you remember, they're all haploid. And so that means that they only have 23 pairs of chromosomes or 23 chromosomes by themselves. Which one? 23 chromosomes total, right? So these are all N, if you remember from the previous lectures, all right? So N, the head has the genetic information, the acrosome has the digestive enzymes. Now, this next structure here, this is called the neck. The next main function is it has the majority of the centrioles. So if you remember from centrioles, this is for division, and also mitochondria. So they have mitochondria here, and also the centrioles. So what was the function of mitochondria? It's the generation of ATP, right? The powerhouse of the cell. So they're trying to create all the energy needed for the cell to actually become mobile. This mobility requires energy. Mitochondria produces the ATP, all right? And the final and last region here, this is referred to as the tail, right? The tail is composed of the organelle flagella, and this is used for the ability for the actual sperm to migrate, right? So 4 main components of the sperm structure. You have the acrosome, digestive enzymes, nucleus, which is genetic material, the neck that house all of the mitochondria for energy, and also the centrioles, and then finally the tail, which is composed of flagella that allows for the mobility of the sperm to take place.